cold and the truck is running out of gas. Not a good way to start the morning. Hi everyone, and thanks for tuning in the channel today. So, have you seen on previous videos, we're battling snow. Derek was out at the property, snow plowed. Then at the house, we got I think like 8 inches the first dump, a foot the second dump, and now we need to go back to the off-grid property and plow there because the next 2 days they're calling an Alberta clipper, which means a foot to 2 foot, who knows, they're calling a big snowstorm for us. So we are on our way to the property and hopefully we can even make it in, because with that foot of snow that we got here, well, it's up in the mountains there, so we'll see. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less, but no matter what, it got cold last night, so whatever snow that's there is nice and hard. That we do know. So all right, we're off. We'll see you there. Go, go, go. Nope. Nope. Back up and try again. Attempt number 2. Oh boy. This is the worst hill. I see snow machine was definitely up here though. Alright, fingers crossed we make it up. Steady, it's tough. Not that the road's bouncy, but a little bit all over the place. So do you find that it's worse when the snow machines make a trail?
Oh, yeah. You get stuck in
their little
one.
Well, the good thing is we brought shovels. Brought everything that we need. Do you have chains for the truck?
I do have chains.
Oh, you have chains. So, worst case scenario, we'd rather not.
Well, I need a plow.
I know you need a plow. I know. On the list of things to get. All right, well, we're almost there. Definitely lots of tracks though. Is that fox?
Probably, yeah.
Looks like fox to me from in here. Alright, we're almost at the gate, so. Thank goodness you did plow last week with the skidder.
Oh, yeah.
There's no way that we would have even attempted it. Alright, well, we made it to the gate. Not quite. Go truck, go. We made it to the gate now. It's safe to say that we made it. Now we made it. All right, so it was definitely a lot warmer back at the farm. Here, let me show you. I don't know, can you see that? There we go, minus 26. So obviously the skidder is not going to start. It's way too cold here. I mean, can we get it to start? Of course we can. Are we going to? No, because that's stuff will break when it's that cold, so we're not doing that. Plan B. Plan B. I'm not sure what plan B is going to be, but no matter what, at least we made tracks. I don't know, maybe we'll go up another time, up and down, maybe see what Derek says. Do you think if we were to go down the road and then come back up and make another set of tracks, do you think that would help?
Well,
or the one is okay?
Yeah. Depends on how much snow we get tonight.
Yeah, well, let's just say when it comes to Alberta clippers, 2 things happen. Either we get hammered with snow or the lake will push it north from us. So, but the property's north. So, so it's one of those things we're not sure. That's definitely a to be continued video. So today's today. But I haven't been here in a couple of weeks. It's kind of nice. I miss this place.
Yeah.
All right, so I think my idea was an okay idea. Drive up and down the road, make some tracks. There's no way at the skidder. Oh, your coffee's way too hot. Way too hot. I think so. I mean, there's nothing else we can do. It's minus 26, and that's not even including the wind.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I need a plow. I got one, but it's on the wrong vehicle.
I know. I will have to take the plow off hunk of junk.
Yeah.
Figure something out. I know. But
Try to start hunk of junk.
you really think a hunk of junk will start?
It might.
Really? But it's got like 2 flat tires.
That's right, it does. Yeah.
The things I remember. Yeah, so I guess, I mean, it wasn't a complete fail. We were hoping to just make it up.
Yeah.
I didn't think it was going to be that cold here, though.
No.
No, not even close. So, I don't know. Well, he says, I don't think we should start the skidder. I really don't.
I'd have to put the heater under it or on it for an hour anyhow.
Yeah.
I don't know if we have time to do that.
No. Well, let's just make some trails, and at least this way that's better. And then after this snowstorm coming up, the Alberta Clipper, then that way we can make a decision, either come make trails, and if it's warmer, then we can start the skidder.
Or go buy a plow.
Well, we didn't win the lottery, so we have to wait. I did get tickets. I tried, like everybody else in the world.
Yeah.
All right, plan B. Oh, my poor excavator. Yeah, you didn't leave yourself enough room with the gate.
No, I gotta shovel that out.
Well, obviously, snow machines went up that way, but at least the good thing is we're going down. It's easier.
Oh, Dad, never a problem getting out.
Yeah, it's no problem getting out. It's the problem getting in.
I gotta get a blade for that skidder too. So,
Yeah, it's a bigger blade for the skidder. Yeah, I agree.
or get a snowplow for the truck.
Well, it'd probably be easier to just get a snowplow.
Yeah.
Or
Oh, yeah.
you buy me a brand new truck, I give you my truck, you put a plow on it, and then problem solved. No comment?
Doesn't make no sense.
Oh.
Why do I have to buy a brand new truck?
Well, because then I get the new truck, and then you'd have my truck, which is a great new truck, and then it would just do everything. No? I tried. I get you a truck that you would like.
Okay.
I mean, the brand new truck would be one that you would enjoy too. No? No go? I tried. Alright, so attempt number 2. We're going up. But then, is it really a smart idea to do a couple sets of tracks? I don't know. What do you think?
Leave a comment.
Yeah, leave a comment. What do you think? We're just packing it down, making some just tracks so that in case there's another snowstorm and we need to drive up real quick, and we're hoping that it's going to work. What do you think? I don't know. All right, well, we did a second path. We'll see if that helps or not. It says minus 26, and then I checked with the wind chill. They're saying that it's minus 36. So yeah, I don't think starting anything is smart. we're getting nothing done, but at least we got some trails and we're up here. I guess that's good. You know, sometimes you have good luck, sometimes you don't. Today is not one of those days, but oh well. Looks like you're on a mission. No, you're not starting it.
No, I wasn't going to.
I know, there's just no point.
No, it's too cold just to start it.
No, it's too cold, and we're gonna, last thing we need is to break something.
Yeah.
But we definitely got more snow at the farm.
Yeah.
I mean, there's lots here, but way more at the farm.
Yeah.
But oh well, at least we made it up. Hopefully we don't get too much snow in the next day or two.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed. So yeah, all right, well, it's just one of those things. All right, everyone, well, that's a wrap. We'll just head on back to the farm and see if we can get anything done there, I guess. I know it's not as cold there, right?
No.
No. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.